Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated process of adding your birthday to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple way to let your connections know when to celebrate you, and who doesn't love a little birthday recognition? Let's get started. First things first, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the Me icon. You'll find it at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile options. Next, you'll need to dive into your settings. From the options that appear after tapping the Me icon, find and tap Settings. Then go to Account Preferences. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now that you're in Account Preferences, look for the Profile Information section. Under this, you'll see an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Tap on it. This section allows you to edit key details about your professional profile. On the next screen, you'll see several options related to your profile information. Look for and click on the Edit icon, which typically looks like a pencil or a small editing symbol. Tapping this icon will allow you to modify your contact information. This action will lead you to the Edit Contact Information section. Here you'll find various fields where you can add or modify your contact details. Scroll down until you locate the Birthday bar. This is where you'll input your birth date. Tap on the Birthday bar, and you'll be able to choose your birth month and day from the available options. Select the correct month and day from the drop-down menus. Once you've entered your birthday, take a moment to ensure the information is correct. After confirming, look for the Save button and tap it. This action saves your birthday information to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your birthday to your LinkedIn profile using the updated steps. Now, your connections will be notified on your special day, and you can enjoy the well wishes from your professional network. Remember, you can control who sees your birthday information through your privacy settings. If you prefer to keep it private, you can adjust the visibility to only you, your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members. Adding your birthday is a great way to enhance your LinkedIn presence and connect with your network on a more personal level. Enjoy your birthday celebrations and make the most of your LinkedIn connections.